Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix TikTok account is currently suspended, recover TikTok suspended account. So if you have received a message here onto TikTok that your account is suspended, here are some things that you could do to go ahead and recover this. So you'll need to log in first onto your account and click onto the profile icon onto the bottom part to head onto your profile. Once you're already in, click onto the three horizontal lines onto the upper part and click onto settings and privacy. Now, right after, once you're already in here, what you need to do, you could go ahead and try to click onto the terms and policy here under support and about. So you should be able to find in community guidelines there. Then right after, you'll just need to go ahead and read through the security guidelines or community guidelines that they have in here so that you'll know what made your account currently suspended. So you could search that one under accounts and features in here and you could click onto accounts. And then once you have seen in there which violation had occurred, or if you don't have any issues that could lead to this, what you need to do right after is to go ahead and appeal that one. So you need to go back here onto your account profile and click onto inbox and make sure in here that you have the message to appeal. So you'll just need to go ahead and explain why your account is currently suspended and why it should be recovered, and you should be able to receive a message from TikTok right after on how to fix this. And that is how to fix TikTok account is currently suspended, or how to recover your TikTok suspended account. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.